The 2024 CarlinKit HD Video Output for Android 13 CarPlay AI Box SM660 from Aliexpress stands out as a powerhouse of innovation and performance. Engineered to integrate seamlessly into modern vehicles, this cutting-edge device redefines in-car connectivity and entertainment with its impressive features and capabilities. Experience visual excellence like never before with the 4K HDMI output capability of the CarlinKit AI Box. Transform your car's display into a cinematic experience, showcasing crisp details and vibrant colors. Whether you're enjoying your favorite movies, viewing navigation maps in high resolution, or presenting multimedia content, the 4K HDMI output elevates your in-car entertainment to new heights. Equipped with an 8-core processor, the CarlinKit AI Box delivers exceptional performance for all your multimedia needs. Whether you're streaming online content, playing high-definition videos, or engaging in intensive gaming sessions, the 8-core processor guarantees smooth and fluid operation without compromise. Enjoy responsive interactions and swift transitions between applications, ensuring a dynamic and engaging in-car experience. The CarlinKit AI Box is designed to meet the demands of modern connectivity standards. With support for Android 13, it ensures compatibility with a wide range of applications and services, keeping you connected and informed at all times. Whether you're integrating smart home features, accessing cloud-based services, or utilizing AI-driven functionalities, the CarlinKit AI Box provides a future-proof solution for your evolving needs.